Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to add music in Facebook profile. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this you have to open your Facebook. Now go to your menu. Now click on your profile. Here you can see three dots. Press on this. Now here you can see the option of search. Click on it. Now you can see here music option. You have to go for it. Now you can see here plus icon. You have to press on here. From here you can select your song. Now press on save audio. Now go back. Press on music. Here you can see pin to profile. You have to press on this. Now go to profile. Here is your music. So this is how to add music in Facebook profile. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.